Y'all haters funny with that monotonous. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my she dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his right necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. Mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. I like my Negro nose with Jackson 5. Earned all this money, but they never take the country I'm in. I got hot sauce in my bag, but I see it. I like yellow on it. I dream it, I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl all it. Albino, alligator, Camino, Casino, Big Cuervo, and all that. I go hard. Yeah, what's mine? Hey, what's mine? I'm a star. 'Cause I slap all day. I slap. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, who don't need you got some coordination. I say, slave trick, or you get eliminated. When you fuck me good, I take you there to real life. I say, when you fuck me good, I take you there to real life. I say, if you hit it right, I might take them on a plane on my chopper. Drop them off in the mall, let them buy some J's at them chopper. I might get your song played on the radio station. I say, I might get your song played on the radio station. I say, you just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. I just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. On it, yellow, on it, dreaming. I work hard, I grind till I own it. I twirl on my head, albino, alligator, Camino, Casino, Big Cuervo, and all that. I go hard. Say what's mine? I'm a star. 'Cause I slap.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And today I'm just gonna be vlogging my day. I don't really have a lot to do, but I do have some stuff to do. So I'm going to a Cirque show at 6 p.m. with my cousin, but I can't bring my camera in there. They said no camera photography or whatever allowed. It's at Gaylord Palms, and Gaylord Palms have like a lot of activities going on right now for the holidays. They have like an ice sculpture show based off like the Charlie Brown story, and we were gonna do that, but they were taxing for today and we weren't able to get the buy one get one free for today, so we decided to just go to a Cirque show and then we're going out to eat. But I just came from the gym. I have my little workout fit on, my Sweet Sweat band, which I wear to work out in, and I got this set from Shein for Christmas. My cousin got it for me, but right now I have some packages that I received from Amazon and Skims. I ordered a lot of stuff from Skims when they had their Skims annual sale. That's pretty much when I shop Skims, because you get to get the products for like a very good price. Most of the time they may not have your size and the colors are a little bit like vibrant and off, but this sale, they had some really, really good stuff. Like, they even had new collection items on sale, and I was so excited. They had neutral colors. Normally for the skim sales, like I said, they have like bright purple, orange, bright pink colors that are on sale. This time they had like blacks, neutrals. I got like this one shirt that is like a neon green, but I love the collection. Cotton jersey, fits everybody are like my favorite collections from Skims because they feel buttery soft and they feel like you don't have anything on. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And I also got like a Sephora order. Woo! I also got a Sephora order. Now that I'm a Rouge member now. So I get my Sephora orders like this now, okay? And during their little holiday sale that they just had, I ordered me two things. I ordered me the Guerlain Mon Guerlain perfume. It was $50 for the 1.0 ounce. It's normally $90, so I had to get it. Plus I had a 20% off coupon. I got it for like $47. And then I also got the Fenty body cream. So we gonna see what it's giving. I'm not a fan of the Fenty. Hold on, golly. I'm not a fan of the Fenty perfume. It smells like tangerine oranges and the dry down is a little bit off. So I got the Fenty cream because they said that the consistency is just like the body butter, and I love the butter drop. So it's pretty big. Wow, I did not think it was gonna be this big, but let's see what it's giving. It came with a little scooper, and then let's see. It smells just like the perfume, but I feel like it's a little bit more simmered down because it's a body butter. But oh my god, I know this is about to be heavenly. I'm gonna wear this bit tonight when I go out. So I have that, and I also got a little sample of their perfume. But this is huge, y'all. This is like so big. So I'm excited for it. This is the Fenty Parfum body cream, and then I got a sample of their perfume as well on one of my other Sephora orders. So let's see. Where is it? It's one of these. Yeah, I have like the perfume, the little sample perfume, but let's see. It's in one of these, okay? And then I also got a Kaylee Vanilla 28 sample as well, and some Alphen Beauty Wild Crafted. This is like a polish peel mask. I'll try that later on. But from Amazon, I got my little cousin. Ooh! I got my little cousin this Melissa and Doug puzzle for Christmas. I got my god baby a stroller. And she was like, Didi, can you buy me a stroller, please? So I got her a stroller for Christmas. I'm not going to open it because I don't know if she watches my vlogs. Probably not, but I don't want to ruin it. And then I got her mom this little meditation thingy that she asked for. And my cousin asked for a devotional journal. She don't really watch my vlogs, so I got her this. And then I have a huge Skims order, which I'm gonna do a Skims haul. So stay tuned for that. I got me some sandals and a bunch of clothes. So stay tuned.
And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. I'm the young stunner, I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, bitch, at it, and she saw me cooking eggs. She thought I was back at it. I grabbed the keys, oh, I gotta go. Got my motorcycle jacket and my motorcycle load. Chrome out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. We know my they know my hating on me, but they never call. Cash money still a company, and bitch, I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Y'all stunning up, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Shorty, 98, 45 paper plates, and the whole thing, big money, heavyweight, 100 stacks, spent 50 on the candy, 25 on the pinky, bought a pound of blowing bounce back. Matching grills, new houses on the hills, got them hoes in the kitchen, I'm cooking pan beans. I'm starting out, dollar out the dollar, flipping chickens, getting tickets, want the money and the pie. Home stunting, uptown hunting, third world cheap, nigga been about money. Ice chunk, Birdman, red mountains, white tees on the chrome down loud. You know we shine every summer, we grind every summer, and this is how we spend money. You see the business and them lands, the mountains and the grams, bitch, we was born, huh? Chrome out 1100, getting money, we know my they know my hating on me, but they never call. Cash money still a company, and bitch, I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Y'all stunning up, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, when I was 16, I was in bed. I motherfucking 1,000 bitches and a girlfriend. White leather, hot blue, real red. Pistol with a trigger like a handprint. Big work, we don't need a scale, man. Big people say good morning to the mailman. What you know about putting bricks in the spare man? I just stuff the cook like a motherfucking beer man. Rear man, if there's a drum, you looking at the chair, man. How you roll it? Show me my opponent. Throw them all on it, yeah, you still ballin'. Bullet gotta get me, and I never been a pussy, cause no one never let me get me. Made niggas got made niggas with me. I'm a motorcycle boy, I swear I'm about to fuck the billion. Chrome down 1100, getting money, we know my haters. They know my hating on me, but they never call. Cash money still a company, and bitch, I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Y'all stunning up, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy.
and it's all for the kids, except for ice because they charge for that.
So the Winter Garden one,
Yeah. Y'all, we about to go to Agave Azul. I've been there already. The food is good. The drinks are good. The Cirque show was good. And then we went inside to see the little kids go down the slide for $16 on one time.
Not gonna let them hold up that.
I'm not gonna let them have it with that $16 to go down the slide one time, because that's a little steep. Are y'all listening to the Nicki Minaj album, Pick Friday #2? Because if you not, what are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah, we're heading to go eat. See y'all at the restaurant.
Uzi seems to make like Jersey club music.
From Miami. It's from here.
You had different niggas at different times. I'm sorry.
You already know. But
Can't keep up. Yeah, people about to sing about. Why are you even telling that story in House of Times, bitch? Stand up.
alright, y'all. We finished eating. I'm stuffed. I'm full.
About to make you on the conversation.
What? I ain't put the conversation, but I put the food.
They don't want to get on my podcast. They don't know me. I can talk for 45 minutes. 45 minutes to smile.
Yo, what my cousin said to get her on the podcast. We don't even have a podcast.
They won't want me to have one. Then I'm going to be the bad guy.
You gonna be the bad guy on the podcast?
They're going to make me the bad guy.
They gonna say your opinions are trash.
Literally.
They don't want me on no podcast.
Oh, all of a sudden,
They gonna call me a pick-me-sha.
They going to call me a pick-me-sha. They going to call me whitewash. They going to call me flat ass no BBL.
Girl, where you going? Are you driving towards the garbage can?
Ain't that's it? That's it.
Then we went over.
What I was talking. Sorry. That's what's going to happen on the podcast. I'm going to get y'all carried away like that.
Y'all, they gonna call us a pick-me-sha.
They're not gonna call us pick-me-shas, but I feel like we not gonna. Maybe everybody may not relate, or it's not even may not relate, may not want to be as real and honest and upfront.
Yeah, but yeah, I'll see y'all in my